Hello again, I am back. In case you missed, I just recorded a Dollar Tree video. I'll put it at the end of this video in case you want to watch it. But now I am going to share with you the items that I picked up at the Target dollar spot on my last video when I did a walkthrough. So I didn't pick up a whole lot, but I did pick up a lot of multiples. So the first thing let me share with you is I could not resist these clear glass cups. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. And what I was gonna say, I didn't do any talking in that video, but I was very surprised at how many of the items at the dollar spot was $3. I know in the past 2 years, I kind of felt some kind of way because I noticed that the dollar spot was going up. Like there was a lot of $5 items, a lot of $7 items. And so I'm kind of happy to see that like this, it seemed like last year this would have been like $5. But I was happy to see that most of the really cute stuff was $3. And even though it's not a buck, it is definitely worth the $3. So this was some old-fashioned hot cocoa cups, excuse me. And I just love how it shows you how to make the hot cocoa. And I just thought this would be super cute with some hot cocoa in it with some marshmallows on top and everything. And yeah, so I picked up this set because I could not pass on that one. I did pick up the little lips, and it is a hanging lip sign. I picked that up because this was just too adorable. How much was this one? This one was $3 as well, but I definitely had to have that. I have one of these from previous years. It didn't have the little it didn't have the little embedded hearts on it, but I picked it up because I think it's really pretty. The other one I have was just like plain red, and so I picked that up. Look at that. I love red and gold together. I think that's so pretty, but then again, I like any kind of color with gold. So I picked up one of those, and that one was a $3 item as well. If you need any of the DPCI numbers after I'm done, just leave a comment and I'll let you know what they are. It's just a lot of work sometimes to put all the numbers on the screen. And then here I picked up this banner, and I thought this was so cute. Look at the little hot cocoa cups and everything with the little hearts. And there it is right there. And this one was only $1. So I thought that was cute. They did have another one. If you watched the video, you saw it, but this was the one that really caught my attention. I thought that was cute. Here is a 2-piece kitchen towel set. You're my cup of coffee. I thought this was really cute. I love that dark red, more like burgundy, and then this pretty brown strip at the bottom. And then I love those cups right there. So pretty. And this set was $3 as well. What else? Okay, so then I picked up these cute little signs, and this is what I mean. Like a lot of this stuff I thought would have been like $3, but these were actually only $1. And so I picked up this one, and it's just little wood signs. That is so cute that you can stand around by your coffee or by your hot cocoa station or whatever. This one, which matches the cups, the clear cups that I got, so cute. This one. And I will not be keeping all of these. Most of these will be gifts to either friends or family. I just think they're so cute. And warm up here hot cocoa bar, served daily. This is my favorite. But I did get a picture with that saying on it as well. So I got those. I didn't pick up much washi tape. I only picked up these two. Well, no, I picked up 2 of the lips because I couldn't pass up those. I like the lips, anything with the lips, because when I seal up letters or something, it's kind of like you're saying, I like to write next to it, sealed with a kiss. So I use those for that. I think I picked up one more washi tape. I don't know where it's at. I'll find it in a second. I picked up multiples of these because these will be gifts to give to people. And these cozy cup things to put on your coffee mugs or whatever. It tells you that it fits the 3.75 diameter of the cup, and these were only $1. So they're so cute with the heart. So I picked up 2 of the red, 2 of the black, and I think I only found, yeah, 1 of the white ones. So I grabbed those. Here's some cute enamel pins, and I love putting pins on my jacket. I have a whole jar full of like pins like this that I save, and sometimes when I wear my jean jackets I'll just put them on. This one says BFF. I love the little old-fashioned Polaroid camera right here that's sending out a picture. So you get 2 in each one, and these were $1. And then this one has heart eyes, and then the little paper airplane, which I love, absolutely love. And that one says Girl Gang. The other one was We Click. So those 2. Grabbed a couple stickers to put on mail and packages or whatever. So 2 of those. Those were $1. Oh, here's another set of pins, and this one is called Best Babes, and it had the lips on it, and this one with the heart with the eyelashes, and these were $1 in case I didn't say. So that one, we're almost done. Here is some of the wood clips that you can use to hang up the banner or whatever you want to use those for. Some more stickers. I picked up 2 packs of these because that's the good thing about Valentine's Day, is whenever you purchase any of their any items like this, you pretty much can use hearts all year round. You know, like all the way up until fall. Like you can just use hearts on everything. And then this one, the foil stickers, I thought was cute to put on stuff or to use in my oh, excuse me, you guys, or to use in my planner. So got that. Picked up 2 notepads. This one says Wanna Snuggle, and then this one is Friendosaurus. I thought those were cute. Speaking of Friendosaurus, here is a cute little character succulent that I picked up kind of for Pooh Bear. And it's just a little dinosaur with a fake succulent in it. Now this was a $3 item, but I just thought it was super cute, and it'll last a long time because they won't die. And then this one I thought was adorable, the little hedgehog. And so this was also $3, so I picked those 2 up. I grabbed this, Welcome to Our Home. I will probably run to Home Depot, pick out a plant, repot it in this, and put it by the door, like as you're coming in the front door, set on a table. So Welcome to Our Home. I thought that was cute. And how much was this one? This one was also $3. I was surprised at that too, because I know in the past it seemed like they would have made this a $5 item, but it was only $3. So I got that. I did get 1 sign. This was the only one. Old Fashioned Hot Cocoa, warm and chocolatey. So this was the only one, and this also $3. So I picked that one up. I grabbed 2 of these because I will be putting, I have 4 kids, so I will be putting my 2 oldest kids in this frame, and then my 2 youngest ones in this one. And these are beautiful. I love those frames. They are $3. I was gonna buy 4 and just put 1 picture of each kid in each one. I might. I don't know. But they only had 2 out. So if I stumble across another 2 at another store, I might do that as well. But for now, that was the plan on those. And let me see. I'm looking around. The last 2 things that I picked up were kind of like planner related. This one said Financial Guru, and this one was a Foodie Journal. And the reason I picked up this one is because I don't know, I need to stay away from junk food. Like, I like sweets. I have a real bad sweet tooth, and so I'm trying to stay away from all of that. And then also with kids and, you know, working and just doing everything, sometimes I lose track of what I ate or what I need to eat, and sometimes I don't eat. Like, I can go through the whole day and only eat once. So I need to get better at my stuff like this. And so it's menu planning ideas. And then that is one of my, let me tell you, one of my pet peeves every day is what are we eating for dinner? What are we eating for dinner every day? And sometimes I have it planned out for a week, but I need to get better at that. So because this came with restaurant listing, It's just like, it was a bunch of stuff in here. And then, but mainly I got it for the menu planning ideas. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I need to get more organized with that. So I picked up that. This was $3. And Financial Guru, I'm really good when it comes to my finances and, you know, keeping track of everything. I'm really good at that. But I figured I could keep this one or use this. Where's the pages at? It's more like a grid, but it has the monthly expenses right here. But it was more like a grid, so you can kind of freestyle and write what you need, and then it had the monthly budget and everything. And I figured I would use this more for my Poshmark, and so that's kind of why I picked this one up, because I already have another one that I use for my regular stuff. And that's it. That is all I grabbed from Target. There, you guys know there was so much stuff, and they're constantly putting stuff out every day, and yeah. So I didn't want to go overboard. If I pick up anything else in the future, I will show you guys. But thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.